Hello guys, in front of me Android device with Teamfight Tactics Mobile, and I'm gonna show you how to fix our first method, how to play this. So if you use our article and of course the download links, currently if you turn on the game, now you're really stuck on the checking for updates. So if you want to fix it, you have to just close this game. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna close it. Okay, and for the first we have to go to the Google Play Store. Now we have to type here TFT Mobile, click on it and click on the update. Now we have to wait until this application finish update. Yeah, and now we can open application. And as you can see, currently we are in the queue to log in, so we have to wait. And as you can see, now we are not stuck on the updates, but we have now new patch to download, so just click on it. And now of course we have to wait until this game finish patching. So currently we are on the 60%. And yeah, here is 100. So in a few moments we'll be able to play. And yeah, as you can see, now it works. So I hope that I'll help you guys. If you enjoy, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below. Thank you for the watching.